Show my messages.
You've got several text messages. Here are the 5 most recent. The first is from 602 to 121. Do you want to hear it or skip it?
Skip it.
The next one is from in. Hear it or skip it?
Skip it.
The next one is from hear it or skip it?
Hear it.
It says, Dear Devendra, urgent openings for fresher, experienced candidates. Submit your details to get shortlisted. http://msg.mn/codem/r_bju team shine. Do you want to reply? Repeat it or go on to the next one?
Go on to the next one.
The next one is from hear it or skip it?
Hear out.
Sorry, hear it or skip it? Or you can also say cancel.
Skip it.
The next one is from 301 to 103. Hear it or is that it for now?
Hear it.
Sorry, hear it or is that it for now?
Now that is okay.
I still didn't get that. Just say hear it or I finished.
Finished.
It says 8,767,949,770. Do you want to reply? Repeat it or is that it for now?
That is for now.